Welcome to this course, Declutter Sentimental Stuff, and thank you for purchasing it. I'm thrilled that you're here, determined to tackle one of the toughest types of clutter. I'm Rachel Papworth from Green and Tidy, the online professional organiser. I liberate busy people like you from the shackles of clutter, disorganisation and chaos, so you get peace of mind and achieve whatever matters to you. I've enabled thousands of people to get organised, so I've got a pretty good idea of what the challenges are, and sentimental stuff can be a big challenge. It's the hardest thing to declutter because every sentimental item you consider has the potential to bring up strong emotions, nostalgia and memories. It can take a long time because you can get lost in these memories, and it can be hard to let things go because they feel connected to the person, place, thing, time or event they remind you of. Letting go of sentimental stuff can make you feel guilty, bad, bereft, disloyal and even frightened. You might fear that you'll lose the memories along with the object. That's where I knew that I had to make this course. I've brought everything to it. My background in psychology, my coaching training, my experience of completely decluttering my own home from top to bottom and keeping it organised and clutter-free. And of course, my years of experience enabling people to declutter and get organised. Plus, I had a lot of help putting it together from amazing clients and students who provided insight, shared experiences and contributed photos. Whether you completed a survey, shared your own experiences with me, sent me photos, or gave me permission for me to use the photos I took in your home, your input has helped make this course really powerful. On behalf of myself and all the students of this course, thank you. And thank you for choosing to watch this lecture, rather than succumbing to the temptation to jump ahead to the sections on how to declutter and how to let go. This course is most effective when you do it in order. And in this lecture, I walk you through the structure and content of the course so you know what to expect. In the rest of this section, we'll look at why you might want to declutter and organise your sentimental stuff, rather than simply hold on to everything. And we'll also get clear about what is and isn't clutter. In the next section, we'll look at some of the deep psychological reasons why we hold on to sentimental stuff. And then we'll move on to the practical bit, making time to declutter and actually how to do it, learning my foolproof, simple 7-step decluttering process. Then we come to a section I created in recognition of how tough it can be to declutter sentimental stuff. It's packed with ideas for how to make letting go of sentimental stuff easier and how to decide what to keep and what you can let go without regret. The next section helps you find ways to move on the items you are clear you can let go, and that's followed by a section on how to really honour and make the most of and enjoy the items you decided to keep. We wrap up with guidance on how to avoid ending up with too much sentimental stuff again, and the final lecture is a bonus, with details of how you can get in touch with me and of an amazing way to understand and manage your personal clutter psychology. So let's get started by looking at why you might want to declutter your sentimental stuff.